Hi, are you an American student who needs to write a thesis in Italian? We know how challenging this process can be, especially in a foreign language. That's why our team of native Italian experts is ready to assist you step by step. We offer a comprehensive and personalized service to help you write your Italian thesis in the best possible way. Our support covers all subjects and types of theses: scientific, humanities, medical, nursing, and much more. We will provide you with impeccable work, accurate in every detail and completely original, even with plagiarism certification, developed by a real expert in the field, a native Italian. Our expertise and experience are at your complete disposal to help you get a thesis of the highest quality, which will fully satisfy your supervisor. We take care of the entire process, from bibliographic research, to index setting, to chapter writing, to final revision. We have been in the sector for over 20 years and have helped thousands of your colleagues, more than 600 this year alone, always with professionalism, seriousness, competence, and maximum availability, to guarantee you the best possible result and experience. For a completely free and non-binding consultation, contact us today in your mother tongue, and we will provide you with all the information you need. We are here to support you and guarantee your success in your academic journey towards graduation. Your perfect and complete Italian thesis is within reach. Visit our website immediately at www.tessitutor.it or send us a WhatsApp message by clicking on the links in the description to contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you. The Thesis team.